Namaskara friends, welcome to Rex Creations Kannada Kalike. As you all know, I have done a new series of Rex Creations Kannada Kalike, that is learn basic Kannada to read and write together in a easy way. So today is the last chapter, that is 12th. So if you have not gone through the previous chapters, the links are given in the description. First go through all the lessons, then come back to here. Okay, so today is the chapter 12. Here we are just revising all the letters which we have learned in last 11 days. Okay, let's start. Uraga. Uraga. Second line. Uragada ota. Uragada ota. Third line. Uragada ota sara sara. Let me repeat these three lines once again. Uragada ota. Uragada ota sara sara. Now let's do the second para. First word sara. Sara. Second line Nayanala Sara. Nayanala Sara. Third line Nayanala Sara Phala Phala. Nayanala Sara Phala Phala. Now let's go to the next slide, that is ಆಟ. ಓಟದ ಆಟ. ಈಗ ಆಟದ ಸಮಯ. ಅಮರನ ಆಟ. ಓಟದ ಆಟ. ಓಟದ ಆಟ ಬಹಳ ಮಜಾ. I'll repeat once again. ಆಟ ಓಟದ ಆಟ. ಈಗ ಆಟದ ಸಮಯ. ಅಮರನ ಆಟ ಓಟದ ಆಟ. ಓಟದ ಆಟ ಬಹಳ ಮಜಾ. Repeat with me. Next slide. Aja Gaja. Aja E Gaja. Aja Gaja Maja. Eega Aja Gajada Ota. Aja ಗಜದ ಓಟ ಬಹಳ ಮಜಾ. I'll repeat again. ಅಜ ಗಜ. ಆ ಅಜ ಈ ಗಜ. ಅಜ ಗಜ ಮಜ. ಈಗ ಅಜ ಗಜದ ಓಟ. ಅಜ ಗಜದ ಓಟ ಬಹಳ ಮಜಾ. Last slide of today's class. I'll read. Repeat with me. ಬಸವನ ಮಗ ಅಮರ. ಗಗನ ಕಂಡ ಈಗ ಉದಯದ ಸಮಯ. ಗಗನ ಚಂದ. ಅಮರ ಕಂಡ ಗಗನದ ಚಂದ. ಅಮರನ ಮನ ಸಂತಸ. ಜಗದ ಜನ ಕಂಡ ಗಗನ ಚಂದ. ಜನರ ಮನ ಸಂತಸ. I'll repeat again. ಬಸವನ ಮಗ ಅಮರ ಗಗನ ಕಂಡ ಈಗ ಉದಯದ ಸಮಯ. ಗಗನ ಚಂದ ಅಮರ ಕಂಡ ಗಗನದ ಚಂದ. ಅಮರನ ಮನ ಸಂತಸ. ಜಗದ ಜನ ಕಂಡ ಗಗನ ಚಂದ. ಜನರ ಮನ ಸಂತಸ. This is the end of this series. Thank you everyone for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Rex Creations Kannada Kalike, and please comment in the below what type of videos you want me to make. Thank you.